Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I'm on my job, I get it done, but you should know that. Shine like a sun of 101, you should know that. I get the front and in the back, you should know that. No need to stun, it's never cap, you should know that. All I know, 10 toes, never fold, bang roll, on the go, ice swole, ice swole, ice swole. Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I miss my baby, so I hit them on the FaceTime. I need it all for them, so no, I cannot waste time. Facing these oceans, feel the water on my waistline. We trust the process and my only know it takes time. You can get it, got no worries, I'm gon' make mine. Going global, I'ma get it out the state lines. Paying taxes at a more than what you make now. Different bracket, eating off a different plate now. For my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Plain on my wrist, for real. LV on my chick, for real. Waco taking risks, for real. Went through hell to get to this, for real. I'm not puzzle making lists, for real. I stay low and stack my chips, for real. You keep looking for a flip, for real. That's not wealth, that's rich, for real. 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 Really real. Really real. Really real. Really real. For real. For real. For real. For real. No liens on the whip, for real. I get bored, I take a trip, for real. Take a loss, I never trip, for real. Been in shock, I'm not a lick, for real. Don't trust the soul, it's on my hip, for real. Make a move and you get hit, for real. No pictures by the crib, for real. Can't let them know just where I live, for real. 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 Really real. Really real. Really real. Really real. For real. For real. For real. For real. Plain Jane on my wrist, for real. LV on my chick, for real. Waco taking risks, for real. Went through hell to get to this, for real.
Good morning all. Yes sir, hope everyone is good, hope everyone is well. Let's get it. Happy Friday to all. Full margin Friday as I see in the chat. You know what it's like. All systems look good here. And yeah, let's go. Only GJ buys. Let's see what's going on. Let's see. Everything looks like it's working here. And yeah, let's go ahead with the analysis here. Start off with the calendar here. Today's Friday, looking pretty clean. A bit of CAD news a little bit later. Otherwise we look clean here. Looks all clean. And yeah, nothing too much I'm worried about on that front. Looking at the charts here, starting off with GJ. If we look at GJ here, daily time frame, we did close bearish here, but are rejecting this previous daily resistance quite nicely here, giving a rejection towards the upside. So nothing I'm too bearish about, you know, in terms of that daily close telling me full sell signal. Looking at the 4-hour time frames here, we can see we've obviously created nice supports, and we've just been trending up on a 4-hour candle. We have no structure though, but we are nevertheless going up. Right now we found resistance around that 193.500. 1-hour time frame, we do have a resistance around just above the 193.500. We'll mark this here. And 30 minutes, same resistance there as well. So we are mixed bias inherently here, but I mean, we're in an uptrend here on smaller time frames as well. Pretty hard to look for sells straight away. Like every single sell like has failed basically. And yeah, I mean, this is what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for. It's probably not for the continuation, but where? Can only see you. Is that the case? I don't think so. I think the rest can see me, right? See the charts and everything. Yeah, let's see this range here. Eight pips to there. 5 pips to there, but we have the wick there. Above that is about 5 pips. Not the cleanest ranges, if I'm being honest. Not the cleanest ranges. Sell ranges look a little bit better. I mean, all the way till we get up here, but by the time we get up there, it's too late. Too late. 29 pips. I mean, one thing I can see is maybe buy above here to 500 and see what happens at 500. If it rejects at 500, you get out. If not, buys from the bottom of the range, sells below this 15 here. I think that's going to be the best plan. Sells below here to get to key level here. That's, in my eyes, is going to be the plan for today. So I think I'm going to look for price to create some sort of structure here and then trade back to that 1-hour resistance. We haven't tapped the 1-hour resistance, which is quite nice. So I think, yeah, that's going to be the plan. Trade back into these highs and then see what happens, follow this trend until maybe if we come up here and fail, we could look for some change of structure here. Potential sell during the session with mixed bias, but I do want to see a proper change of structure, something decent. Like even this break of structure here failed, ended up going up. So that's going to be the plan for GJ. Moving on, looking at gold here. Gold did actually slightly close below the bottom of this range here. Faked out very nicely. Now back inside of the range. We are still in this top range here. We do have this kind of head and shoulders pattern showing us some weakness. Looking at daily closes though, this is a bearish daily close. We haven't had a bearish daily close for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 daily candles. Strange. That also works on DAX. It seems to work on gold as well. We see the 8th daily here actually closed bearish. Now, not the strongest bearish close. We have taken the lows here. This is more of a range. If we look at 4 hours, it's a very clear range. We are bearish biased though. But I'm going to consider us in a range. The reason I'm doing that is because we're not breaking structure. This could have easily just taken liquidity from the bottom of the range and boom, we're up to the we're onto the upside, you know. So right now 1 hour is trying to create support. We don't really have much to work with right at this second here because we have a little bit of resistances previous 4 hours. So I would love to see some sort of structure formation would be warranted here. I need some sort of structure formation. And yeah, because that will allow me to take the entry. Now I'm just thinking about sells. I don't know, like yeah, I don't know if I want to sell into the bottom of the range again. Like from the top of the range, yes, we are bearish biased though, but selling again back to the bottom of the range is very tough. It's very tough. because we don't know. It could just be the higher low, and then we just do this, right? What happened here? Boom, easy buys. I mean, your easiest buys have come from the bottom range here, again maybe here. So I think if I want to see sells, I need good confirmation. If this 4-hour close below the range would be a different story. It would be a way different story. Yeah, we're going to see how price action forms, because at the moment it's not looking too bearish. I need to see some maybe change of structure or something. Always tougher in a range like this, but generally when you're trading a range, you want to be buying from the bottom of the range. So buys would actually make more sense in terms of following that, but we could of course stay in. So DAX on the other hand, we had a very heavy day yesterday with speeches, very heavy day. It's a shame that there were speeches. There was some very simple setups here. Actually would have been the best setup. Very clean, 5-minute close below. Wow, what a runner. I mean, this is a massive position, massive. So would have paid like, you know, easy. How much? I mean, if you just held something there, I mean, this is just, you know, unbelievable. It's a 1 to 10, man. 1 to 10 if you held full position. It's crazy. It's a beautiful position there. So, and that's how the market will work, because the time you take that with news, boom, news will come out and take your stop loss. So, and then you're gonna lose with slippage. So you're damned if you do, damned if you don't. It's up to you. You take the gamble or not. I'm not doing that with my risk. You can do it with yours. It's your account. So nice to see the setup play out though. Shows that the setup, how powerful that setup is. Shows how powerful that setup is. And yeah, now we need to see what's happening. So today I wouldn't be surprised if price just ranges all today. It really wouldn't surprise me to see price range, especially after such a drop here, you know. This is a 400-point drop. This is in percentage a 1.78% drop in a session, man. Not even in a day, in a session. So people are going to be trying to chase this. And this is probably where you're just going to range for the whole day if it wants to. I mean, if there's some volume that comes in, there's a reason, then we can see the price move. Otherwise, I expect us to range for the day. And just stay in here, you know. It is a pretty damn big range though. We're talking about a 200-point range, so that means it is tradable range. But in terms of a trending move, it's possible we see it, but we need a catalyst to give us another drop. You know, we can get one more drop down, but we'll need something. If not, we'll retest the bottom of the range here, and then we see what's up next. So looking at daily time frame, obviously closing bearish here. Very strong bearish candle close. I mean, daily looks like continuation. We could see back-to-back days. We have seen it before. Big daily candle. The next day did give continuation here. So it is possible here. 4 hours as well looks inherently very bearish here as well. Back to at least retest this 4-hour support. I mean, I would say if today we have some sort of volume, then we can find our way down to this 4-hour support easily. Without volume, we're just going to retest. But I don't even see... With volume today, we can reach this 4-hour support and then maybe get a rejection after that 4-hour support. Definitely possible there. Do have this range here as well. Very clean on the 1 hour here. We have this 30-minute support here. Bearish bias today, of course. Not of course, but just let's mark this 30. I think the 15 is slightly lower if I'm not mistaken. That's the same. That's good. So right now we're creating a support. You know, we have room to the bottom of the range, which is nice. It's much better than being at the bottom of the range. If we're at the bottom of the range right now, makes it really hard for us to trade being at the bottom of the range, because you're at target. So sells can make sense to the bottom of the range. Unfortunately, I will not be looking for buys just yet, unless we do some crazy upside today, you know, just some, like I just see some massive volume and, you know, it makes total sense to take buy, especially we start breaking the structures up here, breaking back into these ranges. Yeah, otherwise I just have to respect bias and look for potential sells maybe below 879, sorry. And that's about it. That's really what you can look for here. I'm not going to plan for sells below here just yet, because we need to see if there's going to be volume. Only thing I fear is we get some situation like this, which is definitely very possible, right? Where you just get a rejection. As you can see, it's really rejected from nothing here the last 2 times. So that could happen again here, and you can reject. But hey, It's what we're working with. If we don't want to give it a shot, you don't give it a shot. If you give it a shot, you know, you can't complain. And that's the very important thing in the market, is you can choose your trades, right? So if you need perfect conditions, want something a little bit safer, then obviously waiting, because we had a very heavy day yesterday. Isn't to say we can't have another heavy day, but if you look how heavy days normally work on DAX, you know, they work a little bit more of a trending move. I want to see if we have had trend consolidation drop. This one we had not consolidation, we had trend pullback drop. This is similar. This is even a heavier day. This, I mean, if you look at this in a buy scenario, it's very good, right? In a buy scenario, this looks very juicy. Like, we have range. So today just has to be bearish. That's it. We just need bearish volume on DAX. So fundamentally, not so much bearish fundamentals, not too, you know, which is making me think this is more of a pullback, but maybe enough for a session. But that's why we're lucky that we're sitting here not at the bottom of the range, because even if it retests the bottom of the range and rejects, you still can get a trade out of that, because the range you're working with here is, you know, 49. It's not bad at all. So yeah, see gold making structure now. That's the analysis for today. That's the plan. Pretty simple plan, I'd say, on DAX. Gold as well, a little bit more complex. GJ as well, pretty straightforward what I'm looking for. It's actually nice we closed at. If this could close bearish, would be ideal. Next candle above would be good. And that's it. That's the plan. Now we just wait for it and see what happens. And yeah, let's get it. Like I said, today is going to be a giveaway as well. You should see in the title, I wrote giveaway. Giveaway is already on Instagram, guys. So giveaway is on Instagram. It's on my story. I'm giving away a one-on-one session, and I'm giving away a lifetime Pip Labs membership. So we have both going on. Double. So yeah, gonna link that. So that's on my story. All you have to do is there's like on my story, there's you'll see the instructions. It's very straightforward. Of course, you have to follow me. That's it. And then just reply to the story in the comment box there. So yeah, lifetime on Pip Labs. So that means no matter how expensive Pip Labs gets, no matter what features get, you're gonna get it forever. It's gonna be yours to use. Does it violate any prop firm rules? Does what? Oh, I have 2 prop firms accounts and I'd like to connect them in a copy trade. You know, any software? Yeah, Traders Connect is what the guys in the group use. Morning, you here? Morning, brother. Morning. So yeah, I pinned that. And yeah, I'll select it on stream, end of stream. I'll probably just scroll like this and select like this and then select someone. Problem is if I scroll and select in the middle, how am I gonna select the middle? That's how I have to think. Does it violate prop firm rules? You should message them, bro. I don't own the prop firm. I don't want to tell you, no, it doesn't, and then you get banned. You're going to blame me. You know, everyone will try to blame me. So don't. So if you ever have a question regarding something that does not relate to me, you have to ask the company, man. Obviously, the company is going to be able to give you that answer. Is there something we need to fill in, or just by following your entered? In my story, if you click on my story, there's like a comment box. Just type anything in the comment box, just so I can scroll and select people. Random number generator? Yeah, that'll be fun. We can do 1 out of 4. Got on stream earlier and had 2 nice go-ins during that early bear move, thinking of just calling it a week. Already very good, and now starting to look sketchy. Yeah, that's smart, man. Take a trade, walk away. I mean, if that's your job, right? No need to force anything. I'm gonna chill and watch the show. That's good as well. I don't have social media. Is there any way to enter? You should have joined the previous giveaway. I did giveaway for everyone. I did giveaway on Discord. I did giveaway on YouTube here. We did it yesterday, and then day before yesterday, and then now I'm doing it on Instagram, just to give fairness to all my platforms. So there was multiple giveaways. I mean, we had four giveaways. So there's high chance in that one. This is another 2 giveaways. Do you have any possibility on entering setup 1 on GJ during Asian? This setup 1? Yeah, closed above. It's a nice, good bottom wick here. Just in Asian, the scary part would be putting stop loss. London, 100%, I take that trade, especially with key level here. 5-minute structure is there. Nice little retest here as well. It's really good. But in Asian, it's just scary because Asian sometimes can stop you out like that without having 15-minute structure. But with key level there, you know, if you've been seeing, if you've been seeing Asian give volume at that time, that can encourage you to take the trade. That's why I always encourage people to watch what the session is doing. You need to watch what these sessions are doing, because if you've seen volume around that time, then this should be enough. You can treat it like a London trade. But yeah, it's good, man. What we look like 22. It would have actually probably been out break even on that position there, actually, to be honest, because it stopped 2 pips from giving you a 1-to-1, unless you had a way to close. You could manage off 1 minute this 1 minute structure. Either B or early TP, yeah. I mean, you can't run smaller stops than that. Look at DAX retracement. So, I mean, there's a possibility buys if we start to break 4-hour highs, I would say. But until then, it's actually not what we want. We want to see a trend. If it trends, we can catch the sells pretty easy. If it starts popping up and down like a yo-yo, it's useless. What time volume usually comes? London or pre-London? Depends on the pair, but mostly pre-London. You can see the journal, all the times that it comes. You can see it's mostly pre-London. 12 o'clock is London open. You can see there's not many 12s. I mean, for DAX, there's a lot more 12s because DAX moves heavier volume after London open. But for the rest, gold, even DAX pre-London. The best trades I've taken on DAX have been pre-London because you can hold during London. For those in chat asking how to enter the giveaway, I'm going to show you now. You check the cameras, okay? You go to my story. You click on my story. My story looks like this. And in the story box, you'll see it says type something. You just type something there. Very simple. You just type something in there. You see? You click on my story. You go to type something and you just type something in there. That's it. Very simple. These are weird candles on GJ where it's like the previous one just about closed. I would prefer this bearish, next one bullish. We're gonna see about this trade here. How does 1 hour look? Nice liquidity grab on 1 hour. It could work this. Let's see bottom wick. It's getting a bit deep here. 30-minute looks ideal. Hopefully it doesn't go deeper and then we'll see bottom wick. 12 pips is not bad though. 12 pips is not bad. Yeah, I just need to see bottom wick here. How does the bottom wick form? Man, last 8 seconds, gonna go deep. Ali jinxed it, bro. It's his fault. Ali jinxed it. Let's see if we can get deeper bottom wick. I have a weird bottom wick on my broker. I have a gap on my broker, so I don't know how to treat this because it's gapped up on my broker. Big gap up on my broker. For me, that's like a 3 pip gap actually. 3-4 pip gap. That gap pretty much puts me at key level. Like where it gapped up, I was at key level. Yeah, that just sucks, man. That's the trade. That's the trade. Because that was at key level. So I'm buying straight at key level. Yeah, that's the trade done. If you took it, congrats. But I couldn't get it. It's really weird. Really weird that gapped up. Because it put me at key level and that was supposed to be my watch zone. But that was the trade. Beautiful trade. Hit TP. Very small bottom wick we had here. But close to TP. You'd definitely be break even now. So if you manage to get that, amazing. A very clean trade. No drawdown as well. Very easy. Nice. Nice, nice. So original plan was perfect here. Big gap up for me, man. It's like literally put me at... Where's my terminal? Literally put me at the entry here. Look at that. At the spot here. I mean, there's no way. Let's measure exactly how big this gap up was. And look at my spreads, man. They're pretty big with that gap up. So this gap was, from entry was 1.5 pip. And you can see the spreads as well. Pretty wide spread. So with this gap here, with this gap and this spread, you can see how wide the lines are. Huh? Check how wide the lines are. Look, look, look. See how wide they are? So I would have been entered with the gap plus this gap here. I would have been entered there. You see? So it would have been pretty weird. Now the spreads are coming tighter and tighter. Wow, now they're back down. This poster don't spam. He's just putting W's. He's alright. He's alright. How do you sell the buy and sell lines? It's called bid and ask. Right click, bid and ask. It should be in properties, and then in properties you go to show ask line, show bid line. Did it give a 1-to-1? 11. No, it didn't. Oh wait, that's a 5-minute. Your stop loss would be, I think, 14 pips here. 15 pips. Oh, it didn't give a 1-to-1. So probably break even if this flips. Probably be, I mean, I'll be up break even with spread and the gap. So I didn't really miss anything. I wouldn't really of, I mean, you know, you're buying into the 1 hour there. You're buying into the 15. Someone's saying it's a news move as well. It did seem a little bit weird the way we gap up, you know. Normally we don't really gap up like that. Public sector came out at 10 billion instead of 7 billion. So it's okay. Structure above 654. It's a bit late there. It's too late. By the time it reaches there, it's over. You know what I mean? Like if we're gonna reach there in this session, the move has been done to reach there, you know? Can you go over on the gold plan quickly? What were you confused about the plan? That will help me understand better for you. So what were you confused about the plan? And then we can discuss about that point. You know, this is the best way to learn. What were you confused about the plan? We can discuss that point. Setup 1 is on YouTube. It is. Harry, I got funded before being profitable and I'm very close to blowing it. I've been over trading even though I know it's wrong. Do I know how to flip this situation? That's it, man. You said it yourself. You were funded before you were profitable, and now you not being profitable, luck runs out. Luck runs out and you start to lose. So the way to flip the situation is to stop trying to save the account and start to save what you do and actually start trying to trade profitably. Learn, you know, because it was inevitable. It was inevitable you lose. I didn't see it, but I'm not sure in the range. Why, you were late to stream or something? Yeah, by then it's too late. It's too late to take a buy up there, I feel. If we're pushing straight, you know, it will be too late. I want to be taking a buy here, you know, to get to there. Well, the plan on gold here is we're at the bottom of the range. So if we can change structure, get back above here, we can take buys. Gold in a range, you know, when you're ranging, it's really hard to sell at the bottom of the range because this is where all our lows have been found. And we didn't break structure on a 4-hour time frame, so downside doesn't make sense as well fully yet. Taking sells is tough because you're at the bottom of the range. It's the worst place to take the sells. If you watch the market positioning video in WAP, it will explain that concept in a little bit more depth, not a little bit, a lot more depth, so you can understand how it's risky. So that's it. You know, plan is either to see structure here. If we form structure, we could attempt some tight sells to see if we could get some volume back down. Or if we start to create higher lows, then buys could be an option, especially on a 30-minute. Looks a lot better than the 15, like a 30 close above or something. My plan on buys would be like a 30 close above here as well. Or now that we have a wick to fill, I'll look for a close above the 1 hour and then look to fill that wick to that place where you're looking for buys till here, 14 pip range. If we get below here, sells probably will actually make sense. That would be a liquidity grab up for sells. Morning everyone, morning Mr. Lobster. Good morning, good morning. Mr. Lobster. How did you do that with MT4 spread showing line with the current? It's called right click properties and then turn on bid, turn on ask. Then you can change the color of those lines. I changed them to one gray and one, what color you'd call this? You know, yeah, gray and light gray. Harry, about setup 2, are you waiting for break of structure and what time frame? No, setup 2 is like a retracement trade where you form structure, not break of structures. Break of structure is like a setup 1. I recommend, since you're new, you need to spend some time in the WOP content. You need to catch up. So that will be your homework, is watching the fundamental section there. That will catch you up on all the setups, clear up a lot of things. And then if you have any confusions, that's the whole point of being in the group, is you can ask me. Hey, I got confused about XYZ, or I don't understand XYZ, blah, blah, blah. Then it will all be easy. Well, it's not like it just shot up to my entry. There is nice structure on the way up. I don't want to buy into any resistance. Doesn't seem like there's much room. Yeah, but the point is that if there's not much room, the market doesn't care about how much room it has. The market cares about how much volume it has. So you taking a buy all the way up here might be all the volume we have for London. We have to realize that we've been pushing up from these range lows. We're already up 139 pips here. So before one of these pullbacks come through, like these pullbacks will stop you out, right? These type of pullbacks here stop you out, stop you out, stop you out. So to say that we're going to come up here and then start to look for buys just because here is not clean, market doesn't care that here is not clean. What's worse is then trying to chase a trade too high in the market. What is WOP content? WOP content is spelled WHOP. It's the content that you get when you join the exclusives. It's like I put all webinars instead of people having to watch. Instead of people having to watch all the webinars, they can just watch all of the clips from it. It shows the beginner stuff. Like some people just want to come into one place and have everything in one place. It solves that as well. A lot of people sell it as a course separately. I just include it for free. So we rely on volume to push through the range? No, we're going to be filling wicks. We're going to be targeting next resistances, right? Because if we take a buy from here to fill this wick, which is still a clean range here, we have 7 pips. 7 pips is fine, right? It allows you to get to break even. Morning TS, out to Kigali, Rwanda. Nice, nice, nice. Welcome, welcome. Great content, highly recommend to watch A to Z. Yes, sir. Look, what's this? I need to see this profile pic, man. I need to see his profile pic. It looks like a lobster with a beard or something, bro. What's your profile pic, bro? We have to see a rocky lobster, bro. It really looks like a lobster with a beard, bro. Gold trying to create support here. I really like if the 30 close above. See, 30 close above would look nice. 15, we have this little headache here, but depending on where we can close, we can fill the wick, continue to here. 5 is a little bit higher though. Let's mark this previous 1 hour. How do I become profitable? I've been learning the concepts, but when I open the chart, it's completely blank. Yeah, because you have no guidance, you have no structure, you have no study plan. You're just watching content and thinking that will make you profitable. It's like watching a professional football player and saying you're going to become professional. It doesn't work. Otherwise, all the fat people in the stadium shouting at what the players should be doing would be on the pitch. Right? But all they do is sit there in the stadium with a beer in their hand saying, oh, complaining about the player. You know? They're not even on the pitch. You know what I mean? You see them all the time, teaching them. You see them teaching them. Same. So if they were so good, then they would be either a top-level coach or they would be having a career of themselves. So the same thing applies to trading as well. You can't sit there, watch concepts, and then suddenly become profitable. Right? You have to apply, gain feedback, make mistakes, learn from those mistakes, then go and get feedback based on those mistakes. You need to have a journal. You need to be back testing. It's a process, right? So the process, the best way is that's why I made the exclusive, is because it puts that structure in place. You have the content to learn. You have the group to apply. You have the daily sessions to see it in action and apply it. And then you have access to me to be able to ask questions and gain feedback. This is all you need. That's the structure. You just rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. Oh shit, broke my mic. Harry, would that agent session make sense? After that, setup 5, first setup 1 came to be, would be a setup 5 after pullback. I don't know if it was setup 5, but I want to be watching gold, see if it can close above. I doubt it in 37 seconds, so we're probably waiting for next 15, but you never know. You never know. Should always just be ready, right? Where can I find the WAP content? You have to join the exclusive group. It's part of the exclusive group. This one here. You can watch. There is free WAP content. I put some for free, which is the free risk management course. So you can see how WAP content looks like. But I put the free risk management course. You can just press get access. That is for free. Yeah, so we closed below here. So that GJ question you were asking, setup 5, it almost was, It didn't close above though. See how DAX is doing. I wonder if we could sell back down, full bearish bias, sell back below this range. This could definitely be an option. You know, nice pullback. We have retested 4 hour perfectly. So a nice little retest of 4 hour. If we get back below the range here, we could see some sort of sells. And that's it. That's how it could look. So we're going to see how that forms. GJ closed back in the range. So again, if we close above here, looks quite nice. See if the guys are aligned with me. I'm going to run through this. They heard my analysis. See if they lined up. Buys, sells. Yep. Sells here, you don't. Really tough to sell bottom of the range. Very tough. Below there, okay. Okay. Again, don't want to buy too high. This one, I didn't click off. So below there. Yeah, it's tough to sell bottom of the range, man, because you see, if you took that sell, you would have lost. So you have to identify that the range and not just stick to bias. Selling bottom of the range, market positioning, very important there. Again, selling, you want to sell to the bottom of the range, trying to sell the bottom of the range on DAX even, gonna be tough. This is fine, but I prefer to sell from here to here. Yes, I don't think it's crazy to look for buys. Yeah, cool, man. Like that, identify, get the sells here. I preferred what we had now, liquidity grab up and then the sells. 15 with liquidity grab up. Okay. Yep. Yep. Too late, right? We discussed that one. Yep. Don't want to sell the lows. Okay, we could also, yeah, this is good. Better sells below, yeah. Yeah. Support creation though we want. Too late. Don't want to sell the bottom of the range. You never want to sell where you've been getting all of your rejections, right? Yep, against bias, cool. Buys above there. Yeah, it's already retested there. I'd say now probably above the 4 hour. Structure back up. Okay. Again, I don't like this buy above here. Yep, above there I like structure, yeah. Buys above, sells below. Yeah, I like where you chose to buy. It's better than buying above this high to just fill this area. I want you to identify this wick resistance and this resistance here. Sell zone is fine. And yeah, that's good. That's good, that's good. I thought setup 5 on DAX. Oh, wait. This is my profile pic. Iraq Lobster. Family Guy series. See what you say. I thought setup 5 on DAX. Harry, my concern is to downside fundamental factors will be ready to come down again. Liquidity to the downside. Yeah, I mean, it's just, we just have to, it's like one of those, you just take a shot. It's obviously going to be tougher because we don't know. We don't know. Like I said, we can just get stuck in this range all day. We can just be stuck in this range all day because we had a very heavy day yesterday. So we could not go down, we could not go up. We just go from bottom to top, top to bottom. I mean, yeah, exactly. Make sure you guys leave a like on the stream. Remember the giveaways on Instagram, guys. Join the giveaway on Instagram. It's the pin message in chat. Pin message on chat. You must be following to apply. And you must leave a like on the stream. That's it. 2 simple rules. Very simple rules. Following. Read my story. Leave a like on the stream. Let's get it. 400 people in here, 99 likes. We should get it up to 200. You guys are sleeping. I should put a losing trade on the screen so that we can get more viewers in here, right? See, the interesting thing is, would that be a sell, a change of structure from here? Look, we reacted off this. You see, we reacted off this. Let's see how that looks on 5. Yeah, look at that. Perfectly reacted off it. Maybe below here. Tight sell below here because we reacted off it, right? We created nice structure. So potentially this would be a sell. We got some levels. Yeah. Yeah, it's all cooked, man, to be honest. It's cooked for sells. Sells, that's why selling bottom of the range is really tough. Have to sell below here then. And then now your range is too short. I really prefer the buys. Bottom of the range as well. Definitely makes more sense. Give me a sec. Go bathroom, come back. You guys don't get it. You have to watch on Zoom. That's it. You missed what I said. You missed what I said. Too bad. Please check your mic. Too bad, guys. Too bad. You had to hear on Zoom. I said we needed a close below 930 for sells. Remove rewind on YouTube. Now we need to keep it for track record. So if the next 5 minute can close below, will be nice. Is a gap on retrace sign of reversal? No. How's the market today? Pretty good. We have ranges. Look at this range we have here. GJ a little bit tighter ranges. Gold upside has ranges, downside not really. Upside has pretty big range. If we can clear this little watch zone here, that would be our only, you know, difficult spot. GJ said not today. Relax, Peter, relax. Can you treat your strategy for free? I do give a lot of information for free. You know, I do try help you guys as much as possible. So you can go on my YouTube channel and watch my free course. That will help you a lot. 3 minutes for this close. Can we survive the 3 minutes without the push down? Do you also like the FTSE during London? Ever traded it? I've looked at it for sure, but I haven't traded it. I've stuck more with DAX. Well, SLB, you guys should know this answer, guys. You guys should know this answer. I always get asked, where's SL, where's SL, where's SL? Instead of asking me where's SL, you should be saying SL will make sense above X. You know, apply yourself. Come on. Don't be lazy, guys. Where's SL, where's SL? At that point, you're not doing anything. Not planning, nothing. Not speaking to you, but speaking to everyone. Where the fuck is my TP? That's a good question. That's a good question, because that means we're, you know. What you been eating, Harry? Facial fat probably. I'm bulking, bro. 200 pounds here. 200 pounds. Above 5 hour? No. 5 minute candles. Remember, it's like a 15. Imagine this was a 15 minute. Yo, Z. You're drawing on my screen, brother. Unfortunately, I have to take you out of Zoom until you fix that, because it's a little bit disruptive. Banned. Am I drawing something? No, not you, brother, not you. Let's see if it closed below here, 44 seconds. We will see what happens. Make sure where the stop loss, there is 1 minute structure there as well. $27 points. See if we can get a top wick. Alright, we have a top wick here. Gonna take a sell if we break this low. Stop loss, just gonna give a little bit of gap around 26. That's how it will look there, break of low. So let's see. Let's see. Do you require top and bottom wick on the minute 5? Yeah, I do. Sorry, it's all good. It's all good. Just was disrupting. The previous 15-minute has no top wick, yeah, but it's closed. It's closed. All right. Triggered on that one. Nice push already. Beautiful. We tapped this 5-minute notch. Gonna be moving stops to break even here. Very close to my 1-to-1. Hopefully we don't retrace. I will close manually at break even. I want to let it tap it at least because we have no structure on 1 minute. See if we can get that 1-to-1. $24 was the 1-to-1 here. I do want to try leave a runner to see if we can break through. New candle pushing down, no top wick, so I'm gonna close a little here. I'm gonna leave a runner as well. Literally 0.1 pips from my 0.1 pips from my TP, just because there was no top wick. I don't want to hold this all the way back to entry. So close some there, clean trade. Let's see if we can get the rest of the push here. Come on, DAX. Give it to me. Give it to me, give it to me. Stops at hard break even. Nice. Amazing push. Close some more at the lows. Close some more at the lows. Sweet. Amazing trade. 42. Amazing. That's sick, that's sick. Happy with that position? Yeah, leave a W in chat if you caught that with us. Let's see it. Friday lobsters. Let's see it in chat. For the gram, you guys know the gram. YouTube is slow. I see Zoom running fast. Zoom is running fast. Amazing, amazing. Sweet position, man. Really stress-free position, to be honest. Waited for top wick. Alright, alright. I wouldn't change anything with the position. Waited for the plan. 5-minute structure was there. 15-minute candle close. Waited for top wick. Enter, break of the low. That's it. I wouldn't change anything. Actually, the first entry here when I was about to close some, put wrong lot. So as I was deleting it, we started to push down. So I actually ended up getting a full close around somewhere here. So I got a full close around 33 points. So a nice little 1.4%. Clean. You guys should leave a like on the stream for that. No one's giving this value for free out there. No one. Don't forget to add to your win rate. Thank you, thank you. We will add that. We added it in the journal though. See, turned out to be a good week. 3 wins, man. 3 wins this week. That's what I mean, man. Did you use smaller stops? I put it above, just slightly above the 5, just gave it a little bit of a gap. 24 points I put it. Counter-Strike this weekend for sure. 36 pip? Why 36, man? But I mean, it would have given it to you anyways, 1-to-1, but no need that. No need that. You play Star Wars Battlefront? Come on, bro, come on. What type of question this is? Counter-Strike. Do you understand what Counter-Strike is? Today I'm gonna play Counter-Strike, maybe. We'll see. They released CS. They released a new CS. Legacy, CS Legacy. You ready for cash to come back? Yeah, I'm ready. I've seen them, but it looks bad. You watch pros? Yeah, I watch pros. I tried to go pro. Cash, I'm ready for cash as well. Good money in Pro CS? Not at all, no. You need to be at the top. Really, very tough. Not good money at all. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, remember yesterday we did the experiment putting a position in drawdown? I'd like to show you a result of putting a position in profit. That's the result. When you put your position in profit, they drop off. Look at the drop off. 391. Just a bunch of So if I want to be popular on stream, I have to just sit here and draw down? That's crazy. Signal monkeys? I don't get the logic. Signal monkeys. Like, either they copy and then they leave, or what happens is that they miss the position. Most of them miss the positions. Because let's say you just come to YouTube and you see a winning position and you're like, oh, I didn't take it. No point, you know? I like the way you analyze, bro. Simple yet effective. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Gold is still ranging here. You need a close above there for buys. DAX 15-minute candle close bearish here. At support. 1 hour reaching support. Make sure you leave a like and sub. Crazy value. Yeah, thanks, guys. Make sure you do that. We're going to pick a giveaway soon. I was just been checking that. How many people we have? We have quite a few already. Maybe we should pick it now. I'll show you how many we have. This is how much we have. Quite a look how many people, man. Quite a few people, actually. Look at that. Pretty impressed. Check that out. That's cool. Look how many people. Full. My account is too small to trade DAX. Yeah, what's the smallest lot size you can pop on DAX? Does anyone know? What's the smallest lot size you can pop on DAX? .01, then you should be able to trade DAX, even with a very small account, right? 0.01 if you can pop a 0.01. I mean, 0.01 will be very small movement. This trade, my lot size 0.53, $10. Yeah, I mean, all right. 1.25 lot. Yeah, depends on how your broker calculates it. I'm normally popping like 30, 40 lots. 25, depends on stop loss. All right, I want to select one winner now. What should we do first? Pip Labs lifetime, or should we do one-on-one giveaway?
Should do some lifetime. I need that shit.
Only person who cannot enter is Peter. All right, we'll just do both. We'll just do both. Are you ready? Here we go. Here we go. I have to close my eyes, and I'm going to stop in 3, 2, 1. J1, bro. J. He's in the was in the he is. J. He was in the exclusive group. He was in the exclusive group. So let's go. He won. He'll be coming back soon. Yes, yes. So Jay is first winner. Reply in DMs. He's going to be winning a free one-on-one. Now for the Pip Labs giveaway. Let's go. I'm ready. Close my eyes. Picked. Josh XTP. I've seen his name. Josh XTP has won. Gonna reply to him. He won a lifetime. Who's Josh XTP? Let's see him in YouTube chat. I recognize the name. If he doesn't write in YouTube chat, I re-roll. No, his name is Josh XJP. Josh XJP. Yeah, that's you? Yes? Man, you deserve to win it, bro. You in the stream every single day, bro. This guy's every single day. I'm happy with that winner because this guy's always here. He's the one who pushed. Bro, he's the one who pushed for 600 likes. You're the one who pushed for 600 likes. Yeah, that's cool, man. And that's totally random, man. Closing my eyes. That's pretty cool. He's the one who came every day and pushed for those 600 viewers. Not 600 likes, sorry. 600 viewers. You get Pip Labs lifetime, bro. Sick. We're going to be doing more giveaways, but the next giveaway will be done only in the exclusive group. For now, the exclusive group can enjoy their luck on the wheel. the WOP wheel. Every day you guys can get. You guys have a chance every day. Dead wheel. I haven't won all year. Bro, you know what's crazy is Gmail won like how many? Okay, Gmail, how many times have you won something from the WOP wheel? How many times have you won something for 4, bro? He's won 4 at least. Cheater. I want a PS5 from it. How do we enter the WOP wheel? We enter the WOP wheel by being part of the exclusive. I can see 9 online. WOP wheel gonna be rigged. I'm gonna change the WOP wheel results. I'm gonna put, what if I put $10,000 there? What if I put $10,000 prize for the WOP wheel? Not even a t-shirt. $10,000 for the prize. Do something like that. Says try again. How? Yeah, you're not supposed to win every spin, guys. You're not supposed to win every spin. Now for on the WOP wheel, there's a Pip Labs and TS exclusive giveaway, right? For the TS exclusive giveaway, I shouldn't tell the secret. I'm the one who controlled the amount of spins before someone wins. So for the TS exclusive, I put the spins at every 200 spins someone wins. Because back then, you guys were spinning 300 a day, bro. Jesus Christ. 300 a day you guys were spinning. Think what's going on with you guys? Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 is the number. 7 is the number. 7 is the number. Are you on 7 win streak? No, not 7. I'm on 5. Don't talk about my win streak. We need to continue it. I wonder if Sil took this. Yeah, if Sil is not here for sure. Sil is not here. Because if Sil took this, it would have reversed because he's on a 7 win streak. Since he's on a 7 win streak, it would have reversed. So he's not here. Oh, he's here. Did you take that? Just joined. Ah! That's why we won today, boys. He just joined. What happened? We took DAX cells. Took DAX cells at 1. Win? Yes. You could have beaten my record, bro. You would have had what? You're on 7 win streak, right? That would have been 8. Let me count. Oh, okay. Now he's in this stage now. Sorry, let him count. My bad. Do B counts? No, B's don't count. B counts as nil. 7, yes. How's your week being, bro? Yeah, good week, man. 3 wins in a row. Next, we join Sil exclusive. Bro's been copying my trades. Was in gym. Yeah, he's trying to get his lifts up. His lifts up. This is what I mean, guys. Patience is very, very important. Very, very important. Patience is very important because you see there's times where it feels slow. But in those times where the market was slow, I didn't lose anything. And then in these times, I capitalized. And this is what you have to understand. It all levels out. People are, oh, it's going to be a bad month. I sat for the first week and a half negative for the month. Now fully up. Easy. That's my point. No one sees this. People quit. Imagine the people who quit just from 1 week of price action. 2 weeks of price action. You know? It's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. What lot size do you use? Depends on the position. It changes. How much do you risk per position? 1%? Not of my account. No, it's not 1% of my account. London Open. Dumping. I want to study London Opens. They always have they must have some sort of pattern. Came back B on this second FTM challenge. Let's go. Finally. Nice one, man. London open 1 hour before? No, Frankfurt open 1 hour before. Frankfurt open 1 hour before. Anyways, before we leave, guys, leave a like on the stream. I'm gonna call it early here. Job is done for the day. Gonna go relax. And yeah, appreciate everyone showing up. Great stream. Congrats on the winners of the giveaway. And yeah, let's get it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more and finish the week strong like we did here. And that's it. On to the next. And yeah, appreciate you all. Take care, trade sharp, and hopefully catch you guys very, very soon. All right, peace. Much love.